Morning, this is a demo of PiFace for Linux Format Magazine. What I'm demonstrating today is the use of relays to control voltages which are normally unsafe for the Pi to handle. Okay, first of all we've got PiFace down here. You will see where the yellow stick is, that is the relay that I'm using for this demo. We have two pins coming out. The blue one here is connected to the breadboard on the ground rail, and it's connected on the middle pin here. That is common ground. The black lead from here is connected to the normally open, and this connects via a very handsome crocodile clip to the ground of this 12-volt PC case fan. Moving back to the breadboard, we have two more wires coming out of the breadboard. This red one and the blue one, which connects to the ground. You'll see that the red goes into the positive, the 5 volts, or in this case 9 volts, and the black connects to the ground of the square battery, the 9 volt PP3 battery. What's happened now is we have created a common ground between PiFace, the ground which is present on the battery. So that means when we flick the switch on PiFace for the relay, it will create a circuit, meaning that all the grounds are connected together and that the electricity will flow in the circuit. The last wire we have on the breadboard connects to the positive rail, and this connects to the positive aspect of the fan, meaning that when I press this button here, the first button, the Python code that I've wrote, which is currently running, will kickstart the fan. If I press the second button, so that one, you'll hear the relay click off and the light will go off and the fan will turn off. And that's it. Thanks.